Hello friends, good morning. Myself Pranjali, Shah, Derivative Analyst, Edelweiss Financial Advisor Limited, Ahmedabad. We start with an outlook of market to trade cautiously if the trend in the derivative market are an indication. Markets in surprise move turned positive in the week gone by. Week started on a cautious note, but later sentiments turned and remained positive almost through the week. On weekly basis, Nifty rose by 60 points and closed 1.03% higher at 5,884.70, whereas Sensex 2 over the week moved up by 215 points and closed 1.11% higher at 19,602.23. In F&O, overall open interest rose by rupees 16,504 crore to rupees 1,56,238 crore over the week. In quantitative terms, open interest went up by 7.89% to 261.23 crore shares from 242.12 crore shares in the previous week. Open interest in stock future in quantitative terms went up by almost 7% to 206.11 crore shares over the week, whereas spot Nifty during the week witnessed 1.03% rise. This is suggestive of mild long build-up of position in stock futures segment. This trend was also observed in auto, metal, oil and gas and sugar sectors. Volatility index, which is India VIX, witnessed a minor slippage of 5% to 20.51 from 21.59 in the previous week. Volatility index is a measure of market's expectation of volatility in the near term. Nifty open interest PCR witnessed a sharp jump to 1.45 from 1.30 level over the week. This rise in Nifty open interest PCR is largely due to unwinding of calls and significant addition in puts open interest around 5,800 and 5,900 strikes in April series. Over the week, Nifty April puts added 21% in open interest to 5.18 crore shares, whereas Nifty April calls shaded 0.04% in open interest to 3.65 crore shares. Outlook for the week. Markets in a surprise move last week turned positive on the back of encouraging global cues and in anticipation of good corporate earnings. Markets were up on 3 out of 4 sessions last week. On weekly basis, Nifty posted gain of 60 points, or we can say 1.03% rise. Really triggered mild short covering. However, now Nifty is approaching a strong resistance zone. Also, coming week is an expiry week for April contract. Sharp jump in Nifty open interest PCR over the week to 1.45 suggests market to trade cautiously in the coming week. This is further confirmed by significantly lower rollover both market-wide as well as on Nifty. As we enter an expiry week, rollover for market-wide were 18% versus 20% in the previous series. Rollover for Nifty were significantly down at 17% versus 36% in the previous series. Corporate reserve declared so far were unimpressive. Markets in the coming week are likely to get influenced by political development and movement of crude prices. Going by option distribution patterns, markets by and large could remain in the range of 5,700 to 6,000 of Nifty with negative bias. Thank you. Have a fabulous trading week ahead, and we hope that all of you earn good profits.